Right now we are almost through, so I'm going around and also point out to the things that or the fittings that we've already worked on. So there's the main entrance here, and there's a wall light here. There's a wall light here. I'm entering the main entrance or the living room. Okay, so right here you have the switch here that controls the outside lights, the living room. There's the TV side. I'm going to the kitchen. Then to the small room. Okay, so the small room, there's the main lights here, two lights and one ceiling fan in the center there. That's the bed side there. And then there's the TV area or TV side. There's to the washroom. Okay, so to the washroom you have one light there and also a ventilation fan beside the light. And then there's one light here in the wardrobe area. I'm moving on. There's the hallway. So the hallway is it has a two-way switch here. It has a two-way switch here. So when you are coming from this side to the same thing, you'll be able to turn it on and off from this side. Then I'm going to this room. So this room, there's the light switch. There's the light switch here. Excuse me. These are the ceiling lights and also a ceiling fan in the center. And then there's the TV area. There's the TV area. And then these are other socket outlets in the bedroom. Socket outlets in the bedroom, and also that's separate switches. So the idea is to be given out to students. So let's say one student has his or her bed here and another one here. So let's say one bed is here, another bed is here. So that's the switch to control one side of the place. Okay. So this side there are two lights here, and there are two lights here. That is controlled separately. And then to the washroom. There's the washroom. There are two lights here. And then to the final bedroom. So to the final bedroom, there's a light switch here. When you are entering, you turn it on, and so it's the same thing. So the thing is, it is going to occupy two students, and so when one person is here, the person will be able to control the lights at this side. That's two lights here, and the other person here will be able to control the lights as well. separately from this side. And then there's the TV side or TV area. So for this room, we have two TV sides because how it's positioned, we don't know how to put it at one place. So we have one TV area there, and then we have one here. So whichever way, it's fine. And then this to the washroom. This to the washroom. That's one ceiling recessed light there. And then finally, I'll be going to the distribution board area. So there's a 12-way single phase distribution board. And so this is what we have here. We have our 100 amps MCB main switch here. Then we have that 63 amps 30 milliamp RCD there, and then we have these are the various circuit breakers here as well. We have our pump here, the pump in the house, the water pump in the house is on this circuit, and then there's the hallway stroke small room here as well. So a little bit about the LCD. So when we were working on this, we had a very some kind of issue, and so we were trying to solve it in connection. So when we were trying to turn on the MCB will be able to turn on, but when you try to turn on the LCD, it will come down. So I was thinking of there's a contact of that's a live conductor and an earth conductor, because we all know as electricians, we know that LCD that it's tackles earth fault. But today I've learned something new here. So what the fault was from a neutral and an earth cable. So we were having an earth and also an earth and neutral conductors coming together, and so that was not allowing this to come on. So for me, I will call this an AI security. And AI security, you can never bribe the person. So we were trying all means to pass by, but this wouldn't allow us until we solved the problem. This wouldn't allow us. So if it were to be a human being security, we could have easily passed by, but this, what I call it, AI security, will never, artificial intelligence security will never fail you. They will never fail you. They are 100% faithful, and they will be forever faithful. So when you have your MCB protection, the MCB, you have to understand that it cannot tackle all electrical fault. So if not for RCD, we wouldn't be able to detect or know that there was an earth or a ground and also a neutral conductors getting in touch or touching each other. And so we've solved it, and everything is working perfectly now.